What's up guys, Gonz here, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of this Amazon Basics camcorder bag, camera bag, and strap. And again, obviously, this is for working with my new camera, so that's what it's going to do. And this is the Amazon brand, so should be an interesting and simple package. There we go, getting to the heart of the matter. Let's see, nice plain box. And if you can see here, different languages. Very cool. Alright, I'll open up the bag. Alright, here we go. There it is. Simple enough, small enough to fit my Canon EOS M in here. There's little pouches here, memory cards, and accessories, batteries. And two to make it symmetrical. Strap's pretty good. Feels pretty sturdy, not cheap. It's thick and padded. It's Velcro. Front pouch. And let's take a look on the inside. There's a strap to use with your shoulder strap. Should be long enough. I'll test it out. And then here we go. Inside, fit the camera, camcorder, and a little bit of accessories here. And there's a strap to run it through in case you want to wear it on your waist, which I probably will. And that's it. So, simple unboxing. So, until the next time, Gonz here. Peace out.